Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by fixing layout and image quality so the JPG looks crisp. In Word, confirm page size and DPI-sensitive images, then save a copy. Once done, choose File Save As and pick PDF. Select Standard or High Quality to preserve resolution. Make sure to export one page at a time if you need separate JPGs. This avoids blurring and keeps fonts embedded. Doing this first prevents quality loss later when you convert the PDF to an image format. Once you have the PDF, open it in a program that can export images. If you have Acrobat, choose Export Image JPEG and set resolution to 300 dpi for print quality. If not, use a trustworthy offline converter or image editor. Open each PDF page, verify crop and color, then save as JPEG. Make sure to set quality to high so compression artifacts are minimal. If you need multiple pages, batch convert to save time and keep file names organized in sequence. You finish by inspecting each JPG for sharpness, correct colors, and proper crop. Adjust and re-export if something looks off. Then rename files clearly and move them to your target folder. If files are too large, use a safe compressor, but make sure not to degrade quality. If you see blurriness or missing fonts, go back to Word, increase export resolution, or try a different converter program. Changing PDF export to high quality usually fixes most conversion problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.